As a father, all I can hope for in a son is for his son to grow up to be a better man than he is. I know for a fact that if Debbie's parents and my father were with us today, they would be so proud of Jake and Kate. To stay in love, you have to be in love. I would like everyone raise their glass in congratulations to Jake and Kate Hamer. May you live long and prosper.
It's been an emotional day. So, the pastor said today, the words of forgive me, I love you, so forth and so on. And there's also another 2 words that you need to remember. Thank you. Thank you from your heart. And I want to thank you, and all of us want to thank you for involving us in this day today, because it's perfect. I don't care what's going on. This is a perfect day for me. So thank you.
Jacob, I stand before you today, in front of our family, our friends, and God, to vow that my heart is yours forever. I vow to take you as you are, loving you now, and who you are to become. I promise to cherish you, honor you, and laugh with you for all the rest of my days.
You can't count on many things these days, but what you can count on is that I will always love you. You're a beautiful, loving, and determined person. And I can't believe I get to call you my wife. A lot of changes are happening, but with you by my side, we can take on anything.